Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 324 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this e.l.f. bronzer palette in Bronze Beauty to try out, and this is also from my e.l.f. website haul, and this only cost $6. Wow, now this just looks so nice. It feels like a high-end product by the packaging with the matte black, huge mirror here, 4 good size pans. So pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each one of these. So here are the swatches, and there is some variance in the tones. These two here are the matte shades. You got a warm tone and a cool tone, and then this one is pretty glittery. It does have a lot of gold glitter in it, and then this one is just more of shimmery. I'm just gonna start out by taking this more warm, this more like pinky undertoned shade and put that on one side of my face. I'm really liking how this looks. It's a really nice contour shade. Blends out really nicely, looks so smooth on the skin. Now on the other side, I'm going to go in with the more golden yellow undertone, the matte shade. And this one I feel like is applying very similarly to the other one here, where it just goes on with really nice pigment, blends out beautifully. Gorgeous. I feel like I'd be happy with either one of these. And then, just because I want to try out all of the shades, I'm going to take the shimmery shade and apply it to my top of my forehead hairline. I love that this comes with this large mirror. It's so nice. So even though this shade has some shimmer to it, it doesn't look shimmery on the skin really. I wouldn't really notice. It maybe just gives it more of a glow. So I do like it on the forehead to have more of that sun-kissed effect. And then personally, the sparkliest shade here, I would use maybe as like a blush accent. So I do have some blush on, but just to add a little bit more of a bronzy sun-kissed tone to it and a little bit of sparkle to also enhance the highlighter that I could have on. And then let's see, maybe to just bronze up my nose a bit, I'm going to take a mixture of both of the matte shades. Okay, so here is my finished look. Oh wait, okay. Also, I forgot, I like to add a little bit of bronzer underneath the jawline. So for that one, I'm going to take the matte red undertone shade and just help chisel out a jawline. Okay, so here is my finished bronzed look, and I am loving the added color to my skin, the enhancement, the sun-kissed look of it. It really did work out so beautifully with every single shade that I used. This is the lighter shade out of the two sets of bronzer palettes that e.l.f. has, so I feel like this worked out really well for my fair skin tone, but the other one is a little bit darker. I am so happy with the way they look on the skin, the way they apply, the variance in colors and shimmer that you get in this. So all in all, I am so happy, and I definitely think this is worth the $6. I would pay more than $6 for this. It does really seem like a high-end product with the way it performs and just like the packaging, everything about it. I continue to be so impressed by e.l.f. I've always loved e.l.f., so I'm very excited to be doing my full face using only e.l.f. products. And I have high expectations for how that look is going to come out because I have loved so many e.l.f. products, and this is another one to add to my collection that I can say that I'm very happy with. I also love that e.l.f. is all cruelty-free, so affordable, but they perform like basically high-end products. I would choose this over any other bronzer palette that I've ever used. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.